In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download SeatGeek app on Android. First, you will need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is a crucial step because the Play Store is the official app marketplace for Android, ensuring that you download safe and verified applications. On your device, look for the colorful Play Store icon, which usually resembles a triangle made of different colors. Once you find it, simply tap on it to open the store. You will see a variety of apps and games available. If you have not logged in yet, the store may prompt you to do so. Logging in is essential to access all the features of the Play Store and to download apps securely. Next up, once the Google Play Store is open, locate the search bar at the bottom of the screen. This bar is where you will enter the name of the app you want to download. Tapping on this search bar will bring up your keyboard. Now type in SeatGeek. Be sure to spell it correctly to find the right app. This step is vital because it directs you to the specific app you need for buying event tickets. As you type, you might see suggestions pop up. This makes it easier to find the app quickly. After you have entered SeatGeek, you will see a list of search results appear. Look for the official SeatGeek Bonus Buy Event Tickets app developed by SeatGeek. It's important to choose the official app to ensure you have the best experience. Official apps are maintained by their developers, which means they receive regular updates and support. The app icon typically features a vibrant design that stands out. Selecting the correct app guarantees that you will be able to access all its features and functionalities without any issues. With the official SeatGeek app selected, you will now see an Install button. Tap on this button to begin the installation process. This step is straightforward but significant. By tapping Install, you are starting the download of the app to your device. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once you tap Install, you will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This visual feedback reassures you that the app is downloading correctly. After the installation is complete, you may receive a notification confirming that the SeatGeek app has been successfully installed. You can now access it directly from the Play Store by tapping Open, or you can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. This confirmation is a great reassurance that everything went smoothly. Now you are ready to start using the SeatGeek app to buy tickets for your favorite events. In summary, downloading the SeatGeek app on your Android device is a simple process. Make sure to follow each step closely for the best results. Once the app is installed, you can explore its features and enjoy a seamless ticket purchasing experience. Thank you for watching and happy event planning.